Hello guys, in today's video I will show you how you can recall or retake or just take back an email in Outlook in simple and easy steps. Don't worry, it will be easy and you can do it super easily if you watch this video fully. So first of all, of course, I will open Outlook and of course sign into my account. So I will just do the sign in process and get back to you once I'm in my Outlook account. As you can see, I have signed into my Outlook. So when we're signed into the Outlook, of course, to do the recall process or just take back process or just take back a sent email, we gotta go to sent items page. From here, we can do two things. We will either just double click an email to open them in a special page like this, or click them once. So we can try with both of them normally, but in this Outlook it is not in English unfortunately. So I will just close this page, and it's actually Outlook's fault that it's not English, because as you can see the rest of my place is English, which is a weird error on Outlook's part. So I will show them through here. So we will see in three dots, same screen just like the one we opened before, but here it will have inbox, deleted items, and archives in move part. Normally when you open this page from here, you would just say move, and it would say, do you want to move to inbox, to deleted items, to archive? Do you want to create a new folder or move it to another folder? Normally the recall option should be under the move it to another folder option, right around these parts. But weirdly enough, I do not have this option. If you're just like me, you would just send a customer support hotline thing and they would probably fix it in just a day. But right now, if you have this recall option right under the move to another folder option, you will easily just recall your mails. Right now, I can't, but in future, we will see if we can or we cannot. Or either they could be here as well, under these here, or under extra rules, or you can just create a rule for something. And of course, it could also have a recall option. It should have. So thank you for watching the video, guys. That was basically it. I hope your account is not like mine and it's actually has a recall option. If it doesn't, like I said, you should send a customer ticket to make sure you get that option, because it is a really nice feature. And also, I hope to see you in the next videos. Take care and have a great day.